We are in Roberlo's laboratory, where we have succeeded in halving the repair time of a part. I'm Elizabeth Sanchez, product owner of Roberlo, and today I'm going to explain the new UV20 Putty from Halley range. With a Halley range of solutions, the repair time of a part can be reduced by up to 50%, thus increasing productivity and efficiency. The latest addition to Halley range is UV20, an ultraviolet curing putty that can putty a part in less than 3 minutes. Halley UV20 allows ultra-fast drying. It is easy to use and there is no waste as it is 1K. It is ideal for small to medium repairs. Easy sanding with Blutech warranty.
Before starting, we must have the Roberlo UV curing lamp, protective goggles, and 150 and 240 abrasives ready. This way we can have the caulking process finished in less than 3 minutes.